Hello! In our tutorials we are going to present you one of the best tools for organizing information, Diigo. In the first video I'm going to introduce you the interface and explain how it works. Diigo would be very useful for you and your research online. The website helps you to assemble a list of bookmarks, share them with your friends and colleagues, and many other important things. Firstly, you need to register on the website, which will help you in the future to use any computer to open your account and pull up the information you saved there. So just press Get Started. Then, as you are still learning about the website and its features and how to use them, choose the free plan. In order to create an account, you need to write your email address, then come up with the password and a username. After, do not forget to access your email in order to verify your account. After opening the email you received from Diigo, you'll see that it offers you to get Diigo, which is a browser extension that helps you with managing Diigo. You need to follow two easy steps. However, for Mac users, I advise you to use Diigo in Chrome browsers than not in Safari. It has much better interface. Let me show you. I already added it to bookmarks and opened same articles in both browsers. So here you can see the bar that can be moved and has all the main features from Diigo. However, the design looks worse and it's harder every time to open it. But here in Chrome browser you can see that interface is much better. It's always there so you can see it and easier attain it. So now that you finished the most important part and set up the account and extension, let's go back to the Diigo website and discuss its advantages and why you should consider using it in everyday life while doing your research or any other browsing on the internet. So this tool doesn't only collect in one place all the bookmarks you've found important, it also helps to categorize and structure it. All the articles you marked can be found into tab My Library that you can see on the top left. So here on the left side you can see the tags that are automatically saved for each new user, and also the one art that we already accessed for comparing Safari and Chrome. The tag Chrome is useful for those new users who still didn't download the Diigo extension for the browser. So it's again just the explanation of the steps you should make. Then if you go back, there are also tags Diigo and Diigo that contain short explanation about the main features of the website, which is really useful if you want to understand how to use it. However, really important advantage of Diigo, it can be used intuitively. Most users understand automatically how to handle with main features. I've opened the latest article on New York Times website, just an example to present you what possibilities you have while using Diigo. However, for better analysis of details, go to our second tutorial, which have deeper information about how to use each feature. For now, I'll just show you what those are in general. So, in Diigo, while using extension Diigo, you can save bookmark and then either to create a new tag or to save it into previous existing ones. Then in article you can make highlights, make annotations, both on the website and also on a PDF file. You can put sticky notes with any comments you have. You can create the whole outline where you can put it some information in bold that is more important, or just categorize comments as you like it. And the most interesting new feature for a couple of latest years, you can do social media bookmarking. So you can do all this same stuff on social media platforms. So that was a brief look at the tools you can use to make your information accessible easier with the help of Diigo. Another important fact is that on Diigo you can create groups in order to share content. So now let's go back to the website. There, just right next to My Library and My Outliners, you can see a button, My Groups. So you need to press it. Then you need to press Create a Group. There you can add people from your work, from school, your friends, and invite them to share their notes and bookmarks with you, or they can also just explore your tags and the existing information you're already published. So now go back and you can see that there is also a bunch of already existing groups, such as you can see here, Pennsylvania Coaches. So if you press it, you can then start following it and keep up with the latest updates from your sphere of interest. Finally, on the top right, you can see there is one more toolbar with your name. So there are the settings for your account, for example. You can use then button settings in order to make any changes and adjustments for your profile. For example, you can connect it to your Google or Facebook pages. And at the bottom, you can also see that you can delete your account if you want. Besides, you can go to support and contact the customer service in order to ask any questions or inform about the emerging issues that you get while using Diigo. There is also a section Discover, where they propose you a number of articles saved by other users. If you like some of the topic, you can also go to hashtags and continue to read about the same topic. So all in all, you can see that Diigo is really understandable, has a lot of interesting features for structurizing your information. If in the future you get used to it, you can also upgrade your profile in order to get unlimited storage and other premium conditions. Check out our second tutorial in order to learn more about specific features, and good luck with using Diigo in the future.